Hello everyone, my name is Medha and last year I got diagnosed with a lifestyle disorder named as hypothyroidism, which caused me iodine deficiencies, vitamin B12 and other micronutrient deficiencies. So I started taking Biosash products, namely black seed oil, berry oil capsules, which are rich in omega. And recently I've got my blood reports in which my levels are significantly improved and my thyroid is also in control. So I would really like to thank Biosash company for providing such miraculous products with no side effects, and I would highly recommend to the society. Thank you.